This world shall know pain. All mighty push.
So, about that kissing reward.
Huh? Oh, I'm too shy and sober to kiss you right now. But I'll do it when I'm drunker. I'll be sure to make it extra juicy and intense. So please forgive us for trying to feed you to that stupid old devil.
All is forgiven. Like, majorly, you're good.
Kisses keeps Denji going, so we know he won't die.
Right.
Himeno gets really friendly when she's drunk.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and apart from you greenhorns, I think she's kissed everyone here. There's no escaping her.
Then it's in the bag. Oh, my God. Today I am gonna get my first kiss ever.
Kiss? Miss Makima!
Pardon me. One draft beer when you get a chance. Denji, are you going to kiss somebody?
Oh, hell no!
What a shame. You don't want to kiss me anymore?
Hell yeah!
Excuse me, sir. Another round for me. So, who's kissing who now?
I don't want Miss Makima to see me making out with Himeno.
Canoodling is out for you?
But on the other hand, I really want that kiss with tongue just as bad. I'll have to try and change the subject for now. You okay?
Oh my.
Wait, something special.
She's watching. She has a front row seat. Hang on. Is that her tongue I'm feeling? It feels good. It's so soft. What the hell? Her tongue is melting in my mouth. Wait, I think that's...
Well, that's gonna leave some drama.
Oh, gracious. Could we get a towel over here? Or anything to wipe this up?
Just one.
It's dark. Too dark. Where am I anyway? Water. I need water. Wait, that's right. I got barf kissed by Princess Pukes a lot. Damn it. I really need some water.
That's weird. Why is Denji here? This is my place, silly boy. You might be here because I brought you. I'm not sure.
The room's spinning. The hell's going on?
Oh, sweet Denji. You're crazy about Miss Makima, aren't you?
Dude, I'm so dizzy.
You could do 1,000,000 times better than that selfish bitch. Open your eyes. Maki too. Give up and stop fawning over her. Move on. Moo like cows. Wanna do it?